Hi guys, hello. I'm going to vlog on my phone today because the excitement's going to happen tonight and I'm not going to take my camera out tonight obviously. So it's Bonfire night, not actually Bonfire night right now obviously. It's Friday the 3rd and I'm going to a Bonfire night show. It's got a massive fire and like lots of fireworks going off and food and stuff like that, so I'm going there. I don't know if you can hear me. I haven't vlogged on my phone for like ages, and I know the quality isn't the best, but like I'm very sorry. But yeah, I'm going there with Daisy and then she's coming back to mine, and then tomorrow I'm going to a party again. What? Ooh.
It's brought her bit to school. Yeah.
Perv, paedophile,
She stole my key, my house key as well. I mean, if it was my house key, I wouldn't really care.
On camera, right? Not even gonna lie, we had this cake. Sorry, Rebecca.
my friends are weird.
Oh my god! I did actually know that you were recording.
Oh god, I don't really know about this hair. I'll probably turn it into a ponytail halfway through the night because that's what I do. But we are going to a bonfire night. Mia was last minute. Daisy was always gonna be here. Actually, no, you were last minute this morning.
Yeah,
she was
I mean,
like, yes.
true.
But Daisy's
But
sleeping
I'm
around
first
late
choice,
this morning,
guys.
and we're gonna go very soon as I get some money to go. But hello, we're going now. How awkward does this look? But yeah. Let's go, Scott. That's really cheesy.
Plug in life mirror.
Oh yeah! Hi! Work it!
Go on, Mia, sing.
I love this.
Sorry.
I'm useless. It's fine. Hi.
Oh, look at that cute light. Oh my god, we need to get a selfie. Fire! I'm black.
Hi! Is that my jumper? Hi! Have you got a new Snapchat?
Yeah.
You need to add me then.
Alright, I will. Wait.
Hi, I'm Louis. Add me on Instagram. Louis.Walton. Right, ta-da!
Whoa! Okay.
Oh my god.
Look at it. Oh my god. Wait. We're having a malfunction.
It's not going well. It's going.
No fireworks whatsoever.
It's a very dark night. It's very
A
big.
very dark night.
It's a very dark night. depressing. There was
It
like
was
1
fun.
minute left.
Mia ain't bothered.
No, because
She's still blind, guys. The retinas are not
See
there.
me, I went like this.
well, I mean, like I'm already kind of blind.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're just sat in the park just waiting with Mia. And then we're gonna go.
There's no set time.
What? What? What?
I look weird, but hi guys, it's the next day from last night, obviously, and I'm gonna just like add them together because I might have got a lot of footage, but like I also didn't end the vlog last night, and like I've got a party tonight, which I'll just be like gonna insert in the Snapchat it's in, so yes. Daisy's gone home, but Lena's like right up near me, look. Come on. Oh, there you go. Good girl. I love you, but... oh. Like I said in the last clip, Daisy's gone, and I'm just at home, and then I'm just kind of waiting for 5 o'clock, basically. It's been a while since I've vlogged, but I'm just waiting. And basically, I'm just having a boring day until I go to Kenzie's, but Kenzie's is 3.5 hours, I think. But yeah, that's all. I'm going to insert the Snapchats at the end of the video like I did last time, but yeah. I decided to come out with my dad and we're just walking to M&S. My dad's gone downstairs to get my brother a duvet, but I need to have a look if these snacks that Zoella wants are in here because I've always wanted them and I could never find them, so I'm going to try and have a look if it's in the food bit. I found one of the things that Zoella was eating, one of her bonfires. It's like caramel snowflake, like it's not made, but it was these kind of things, but there was cinnamon, if I remember rightly. There's only honey mustard at the moment, so I think not because I don't like mustard. So yeah, but these are really, really nice.
Fuck you. Really close.